How to lock your NUSA in governance program. Visit nusa.finance and click Go to Apps. Click Governance in the navigation bar. Connect your wallet on the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure your wallet is already logged in from the extension. Enter the amount of NUSA that you want to lock and choose the duration of your lock. You can also input the lock duration manually. Click Enable when you are finished. Approval pop-up will appear. Click Approve. Give permission for smart contract to access your NUSA. You will only need to do this once. You will be directed back to the main screen. Click Create Lock. Confirmation pop-up from your wallet will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Wait until the process is done. A pop-up will appear to confirm your transaction. To increase your NUSA, you can increase your NUSA amount, or increase your lock duration. You can also check the status bar to see your share in the distribution. And you can use the unlock button to withdraw your NUSA if your NUSA have turned 0.